Ferrari for the first time in Formula One. He's left them all behind. A winner now for McLaren Mercedes.
Score! He put his right arm out full length, held it, and brought it back as he flew by the basket. Sensational.
That's the most frightening thing a defender can see. You be the only guy back on defense.
KTM with those tight left-handers of 6 and 10. Barnacle to go. Well, he cracked in Kota, but he conquers Qatar. Marc Marquez is victorious here in Doha for the first time.
Taking it to the house. His second touchdown reception today.